What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look. This look was recreated from one of my favorite makeup artists. Her name is Beauty by Melissa on Instagram, and I'll be leaving her information down below so you guys can go check out her work because she is phenomenal. So you guys need to go look at her page because she's the bomb, okay? But also, before we get started, I want you guys to go down and subscribe to my channel as well as click the bell notification so you guys can know when I post a new video. With that being said, let's get into this makeup.
Stop giving a damn about when they tell me how I won't make it out. I already won.
First, I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and this is my transition shade. It is super light, so I'm going to be going in with another palette to darken it up. This is my Maybelline Glitter Love palette, and this shade is so cute, you guys. I love it a lot. And I'm just taking my Wet n Wild brush and just blending these two colors out to make it a little bit more seamless. Going in with my Desert Safari palette by Maybelline, I'm taking these two shades and placing them in my crease, and all the brushes I'll be using will be down in the description box below. I'm just further blending and reinforcing the colors so nothing gets washed out. Going into my Makeup Addiction's Flaming Love palette with the color Flaming Kisses, I'm just going to be adding some more dimension to my eyes and placing this into the crease. Like I always say, to get a good look, all you need to do is blend. Take your time and blend, sis. On to my least favorite part, we are cutting my crease, and I only hate this when I'm doing halo eyes because I suck at it. Seriously, you guys, if y'all know some tips, drop them in the comments because I need help, clearly. Like, for real, how do you even start a halo eye? Like, do you start in the middle? Do you start on the left or the right? Like, where do you start at? I'm so confused. Like, I literally am winging it. But now I'm just adding some more shadow on each side to make it more, you know, dimension or whatever. I did my eyeliner off camera. I just put like a thin layer, and now I'm just putting some glitter on top. Not on top, but right above, so it's like eyeliner then a line of glitter, if that makes sense. Also, you guys, just for the glue or adhesive or whatever, I just use clear eyelash glue. Now for my fave part, I'm adding the glitter on top of the cut crease, and I just mixed up a lot of different glitters to create this glitter, and I love it actually a lot. And like I said, I use clear eyelash glue for adhesive. For mascara, I'm just using the Maybelline Total Temptation, and this has become my favorite mascara, you guys, so yeah. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using my new Slay by Ella lashes, and these are so cute! And then the lash name will be in the description box down below. Priming with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm taking my favorite foundations as usual, and then my favorite brush. Like I said, everything will be down in the description box. And I'm breaking out so bad, you guys, like I should not even be doing my makeup right now. I forgot all about this concealer, but I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I do not remember the shade, but it will be down in the description box. Yes, you guessed it. And Makeup Addiction sent me their new sponge, and it is bomb as fuck, y'all, so buy that. For real. Get that. Get you one. Now I'm taking my Milani contour stick with my favorite brush. I already know this is the perfect duo. Seriously. Gets me right every time, sis. Since I haven't used this in forever, I'm taking my Airspun powder, and since it's winter time and I'm light enough to, you know, match this, I'll be taking this. Then just brushing it off right after I put it on. I do not like to leave my powder on for too long. To set my contour, I'm taking the e.l.f. contour palette with both shades, and like I said, this is a very cool tone contour palette, so it matches me perfectly in the winter time. Is it spray all day or all day spray? Anyway, this is my setting spray by Contour Cosmetics. Now I'm going to be highlighting with my Posh Cosmetics highlighter. And this is a very subtle highlight today. I didn't want to add too much because the eyes was really popping and I wasn't feeling a bright highlight. But I'm glowing. For my lips, I'm taking a brown pencil, and you can use any pencil. Literally, I think this is an eyebrow pencil, but as I go, instead of doing a straight line, I'm buffing it out, just so it can blend a little bit better. Now I'm taking my liquid lipstick and applying this, and this is the perfect combo. I think this looks super cute on me, and I believe this is from NYX. Like I said, you guys, everything will be in the description box down below, so you won't miss any product details. Now I'm just putting a little bit more of the pencil on just so it can blend a little bit better. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys loved it as much as I do. Tune in for the next one and don't forget to subscribe.